I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. You guys, back again with another product review. Today we have the Homedics Foot Salon Massaging Foot Spa. Here it is right here. This right here soaks away stress and beauty. It has a heat, soothes and relaxes your feet. So if your feet are tired like me, you know, I wore boots for a long time. And when I stopped wearing boots, my feet are just acting so funny. And so I had to soak them every day. And I've still been using this ever since. This is a great little thing. It has the acupuncture surface, as you can see the little surface here. You know, that makes it just feel real good on the bottom of your feet. Also has here's your power cord. Has an off switch. You can change it to massage, and it has heat. So once you put some warm water in here, this keeps the water warm for you. And it's just soothing and relaxing. Just dip your feet into a warm bath to help soothe your tired muscles. This is the Homedics Foot Salon. And I'm going to show you guys how it works. I definitely would recommend it. If you guys are interested in this, I definitely have the link below, so make sure you get yours. You guys, I got my setup going on right now. This is basically how I set up. As you can see, I've got the water in there, and you want to fill the water up right to here. I usually fill it up right to that level there, and then what I do is after that I put some lukewarm water in that. And then what happens is that once you do have to put some lukewarm water in it. It doesn't make the water warm from cold. You have to put lukewarm water in it. Then you make sure you put it on the massager heater, and that keeps it at that level while you have your feet in there. And what I usually do is I put some Epsom salt in my water, because you know I got these dogs, boy, the boys be barking. So I got to put that Epsom salt in there and make sure I'm straight. Now I'm going to show you how. And then that's basically how it is. It's getting warmed up now. You just put your feet in there after that. I usually leave my feet in there maybe about 30 minutes. And after that, they soft as a baby's bottom.
It's from the good folks at Homedics, who bring us so many great items for the home. This is a compact pro spa collapsible foot bath with heat. It actually has heat. For those of you like myself who work standing up, or you're a nurse, maybe you're a firefighter, maybe you're a waitress, or you just have a lot of kids, you have to cook all day. I mean, we're on our feet, and I find the older I get, the harder, you know, the more my feet hurt at the end of the day. What a sweet and thoughtful gift. Our good friend Tracy Rosa is here, and Tracy, this one's gonna go nuts.
Oh, I love this, because who doesn't love a good foot bath, a good foot massage, a nice warm one? But this is what we're used to, these big bulky baths. Where do you store this?
Oh yeah. Anywhere.
This is anywhere.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. You can store this
that.
absolutely anywhere. This size folds down to just this. But that isn't even the greatest feature right now. Look at these wonderful massaging knobs in here. It's going to vibrate and give you the best massage. Once you put the warm water in here, this heat maintenance technology right here is going to keep the water inside warm for about 30 minutes. So it's not going to go cold. So you're gonna have that constant massage, the heat, the relaxation. And all you have to do is pop it open just like this when you need it. And then when you're done, you can store this anywhere. Look at how easy it is. Pop it open. And they've also added these nice little brackets right there to secure it so it's not gonna collapse when you're getting that foot massage. Those hide underneath. But again, it is so easy. All you do is set it up, turn it on, put some warm water in there. There's a warm fill line on it. You can see that lip there, Helen. That's gonna keep it from spilling over or splashing when you're putting your feet in and out. The water is staying warm. You've got the knobs down here that are giving that nice, gentle massage. We've got the bigger ones that you can put the base of your foot in. But again, it's made with that nice plastic, heavy reinforced rubber. You can see on the front here, we have an extra little metal tab that's hidden underneath that keeps this nice and sturdy. So you don't ever have to wonder if this rubber is going to collapse when you're getting your massage. All you do is take that and push it under, but nice and sturdy. Again, they've thought of everything. So now the water is not gonna splash out onto your floor. It's gonna get caught right here in the lip. But again, a beautiful massage, and that heat maintenance technology, keeping this water warm for 30 minutes. So you don't have to worry about, you know, making multiple trips to the whatever you're gonna use to fill it with the warm water. It's gonna keep it nice and warm. And again, extra, extra sturdy. It is a gift that is great for you because you deserve it, and a gift that is great for anybody that you love, you know?
Easy
Yeah,
thing.
and here's some other really cool features about this. This is a massaging bath. Awesome, great. And other baths that have the jets, that have the tubes at the bottom, you can't put anything in there. You can't put any salt in there because it'll clog those tubes.
Oh, yes.
You can put your salts in here. Step it up a notch. Give yourself that awesome massaging foot bath, because now you can put those essential oil salts in there. Not the oils, but the salts. And then when you're done with it, what would you normally do? You would have to find a place to store this. Or like I would do.
Like Epsom salt.
Yeah.
So, because what you do is you want to put Epsom salt, but a lot of them have jets, and then like, oh, don't put that in there because it'll clog the jet. No, this is massaging. It's like having your own private masseuse living in your house for your feet, making sure the water is, you know, like constantly putting warm water in to make sure it's warm, because it has heat with it as well.
So you guys, definitely, if you want to get your Homedics spa, you click that link below, and I got you covered. I'll see you guys on the next review.